Well, looks like I'm running out of oats. It was time to fill up. So I decided to get some Bob's Red Mill oats. Now, usually in my local stores, I can't get this brand, so I decided to go the Amazon way because I know they always have Bob's Red Mill products on hand. This is a brand that I really trust. I've bought from them over the years and always found that they're fresh. The value is pretty decent, and there's no chemicals or any nasty stuff in them. So for me, it was just the brand that I went with because oats are oats, you know. These are just rolled whole grain oats, and I use these mainly for creating ready-made oats where I mix bananas and protein powder and some fruit and let it sit overnight. But traditionally, I guess these are ones that you add hot water to or microwave. Very good way to maintain your blood sugar levels and keep you full for a while. Add some peanut butter in for some fats. I mean, there's so many things you can do with this stuff. Yeah, always recommend this brand. Very good.